Listen carefully. If one of the most powerful health foods wasn't expensive, trendy, or complicated, but something small, simple, and already in your kitchen, chia seeds may be tiny, but their impact on the body is surprisingly big. Chia seeds are one of the most nutrient dense natural foods you can add to your daily routine. They are rich in fiber, healthy fats, plant protein, and essential minerals. Despite their size, they support multiple systems in the body in a balanced and natural way. One of the biggest benefits of chia seeds is digestion. Chia seeds absorb water and form a gel like texture in the stomach, which helps support smooth digestion and healthy gut movement. Their fiber content supports regular bowel function and helps maintain a balanced digestive system. A healthy gut is the foundation of overall wellness, and chia seeds play a powerful role in that foundation. Chia seeds also support fullness and appetite control. Because they expand when soaked, they help you feel satisfied longer. This can support better portion control and healthier eating habits without strict dieting or extreme restrictions. Another major benefit of chia seeds is heart health. They contain omega 3 fatty acids that support healthy blood circulation and overall cardiovascular wellness. Healthy fats play a key role in long term health, and chia seeds provide them in a natural plant based form. Chia seeds also support steady energy levels. Unlike processed snacks that cause quick energy spikes and crashes, chia seeds provide slow releasing energy through fiber, protein, and healthy fats. This helps keep your body balanced and stable throughout the day. They also support bone health. Chia seeds contain important minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for strong bones and overall body structure. For people who don't consume a lot of dairy, chia seeds can be a valuable part of daily nutrition. Chia seeds also support blood sugar balance. Their fiber slows digestion and absorption, helping prevent sudden sugar spikes after meals. This makes them a smart choice for people trying to maintain stable energy and balanced eating patterns. Now let's talk about how to use chia seeds properly. The best way to use chia seeds is to soak them. Soaking helps them expand, improves digestion, and makes their nutrients easier for the body to absorb. You can soak them in water, milk, or plant milk for 20 to 30 minutes or overnight for a chia pudding. You can add soaked chia seeds to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal salads, or fruit bowls. You can also mix them into warm water and drink them as part of a morning routine. The key is small amounts. 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is enough to support daily health. Chia seeds do not need to be used in large quantities. Consistency matters more than quantity. Small daily use over time creates real results. Chia seeds are not a magic solution. No single food is, but they are a powerful support food. When combined with a balanced diet, hydration, movement, and healthy habits, chia seeds become a strong tool for daily wellness. Health is not built through extremes, it's built through small daily choices, and chia seeds represent that perfectly. Small, simple, and powerful. Add them to your routine, stay consistent, and let your habits do the work your body needs. Because real health doesn't come from shortcuts, it comes from consistency. Stay with Wellness Lab. Thank you.